Hi folks, I'm Dr. Andrew Colson, and today I'm going to continue talking about the secrets to how I address peripheral neuropathy in my office. Today I want to talk to you about the effects of blood sugar or blood glucose. From a medical standpoint, normal blood glucose levels have a broad range from 70 to 105, while functional or optimal blood glucose level ranges are 85 to 99. According to the American Diabetic Association, a blood sugar level reading of 106 to 126 is termed insulin resistance or prediabetes, and anything above 127 is diabetes. Granted, those are fasting blood glucose levels, and it's important to note because many times I'll have patients who've been tested and I'll ask them if they've fasted before their test, and they'll tell me no. But you need to fast at least 12 hours beforehand, which means absolutely no food, no drinking orange juice or coffee or anything prior to the test. All that you should have is water for 12 hours before your test so you can get an accurate reading of your blood glucose levels. Supporting peripheral neuropathy nutritionally is futile if your blood sugar level is too high or too low. A reading below 85 would be termed hypoglycemia, and a reading above 99 would be termed hyperglycemia. This is called dysglycemia, and this is a stepping stone to diabetes. Diabetes is becoming so prevalent in the United States that authorities are predicting that it may bankrupt the entire healthcare system. Hypoglycemia is a condition in which the blood sugar level drops repeatedly too low in response to high carbohydrate foods. Refined sugars are a good example of high carbohydrate food. Hypoglycemia can also be a result of going too long without eating, and too many Americans are skipping breakfast. It's important, if your blood sugar is below 85, it's important that you eat every 2 to 3 hours. You should be having breakfast and a snack, lunch, a snack, dinner, and then a light snack before bedtime. These snacks can consist of vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, but it should be something healthy. Insulin resistance is a high blood sugar that hasn't yet reached the point of being called diabetes. We call it prediabetes, and this is a result of the cells becoming resistant to insulin, so that no glucose can enter the cell to make the energy that you need. You need glucose in your cells to make energy. It's a vital, important part of life. Your brain and nervous system need two things to survive. They need fuel and activation. Fuel is oxygen and glucose. So glucose travels in the bloodstream until it's turned into triglycerides for fat storage. This is why it's important to monitor triglycerides as well as glucose. The process of turning glucose into triglycerides demands an increased amount of energy, causing you to feel tired after eating. So if you're eating a high carbohydrate diet filled with white bread, pastas, refined sugars, you can't keep the blood sugar level stable. If you feel sleepy or if you crave sugar after eating, you know you just ate way too many carbohydrates. If you feel sleepy or low or after a low or no carbohydrate meal, you're most likely insulin resistant. It's literally impossible to support hypoglycemia or insulin resistance unless you eat a healthy breakfast with ample high quality protein. You've got to eat protein in the morning, not carbohydrates. You need to eat eggs, you need to eat lean meats such as turkey or chicken sausage. You need to eat protein in order to support these blood sugar levels. Even if you feel nauseous first thing in the morning when you wake up, eating breakfast is critical, and eating a breakfast of high protein will most likely relieve the nausea that you're feeling. And finally, if you have hypoglycemia, you should never eat. You should never fast. Never stop eating. It will make matters much worse. If you'd like to partner with us in addressing your concerns, call our office at 763-494-0828, and we'll schedule your exam. We hope to see you soon.